there she is on her front stoop, waiting for that old boy to come. He pulls up in his '81 Camaro, and she jumps in, he peels away, and they make their great escape. They're heading for Atlanta today. There's nothing left for them in Union, maybe a few high school friends, most of whom married right out of school. Now they're working dead-end jobs and getting nowhere fast. They don't want to end up like that, like two birds on a wire, watching that morning sunrise. When you're with me, everything's okay. Just don't ever fly away. The road comes up fast to meet them as I cross that North Georgia line. A rush of wind runs its fingers through her hair, reminding her of summer's eyes, the girl in Tennessee. She looks at him and falls asleep. Like two birds on a wire, watching that morning sunrise. When you're with me, everything's okay. Please don't ever fly away. When you're with me, everything's okay. Don't ever fly away. We both seen the water come down from the top of old Abrams Falls. From up there we set our own kind of vows. The morning light was shaking off the leaves of amber, water telling stories of old.